जो इंसान खाना नहीं खाता मुझे नहीं मतलब कैसे जीता होगा. If I don't do new things in my life, if I don't try new things in my life, I'm not exploring myself. जो भी नॉन वेजिटेरियन दोस्त बोलते हैं ना कि ये क्या पनीर सोया है, वो कुछ और ऑप्शन नहीं है तुम्हारे पास, go for it. The Maharashtrian food is
To die for.
It's really to die for.
Yeah.
The teacher was asking कि अपना नाम बताओ and what do you want to become? So I said I'm Abhay Verma and I want to become an actor. So she said तू एक्टर बनेगा. बैठ जा. सारामनगर से निकलते हुए ना there's a मंदिर which lies.
Yeah.
गणेश जी का.
Yeah.
तो मैंने वहीं हाथ जोड़ के मैंने बोला, मैंने कहा प्रभु ये मैंने ऑडिशन दिया है and this is the duty which I would like to do. And apparently they were looking for a boy since 7-8 months. 200 people they auditioned and then they found the real talent. One is always ready for love. One is stupid if he's not ready for love. I am into this zone of getting scared because I actually have something to lose now. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने बहुत कुछ कर लिया अभी जिंदगी में. बस एक सुपर हिट फिल्म ही तो दी है.
Yeah, that's all. Instead of a Greek god, he is a geek god.
Oh.
Thank you
Hello,
so
man.
much
Thank
for
you for having
being on the show on a cheat day with us. And one thing I want to tell you is that I went to watch Munjya yesterday and there were a lot of crazy, unbelievable things in the film. Some were laugh out loud crazy, some were scary crazy. But the thing I found the most crazy was that Abhay Verma can be friend zoned by anyone. Because look at this face. Who can friend zone this face? You please tell me. It doesn't make any sense. So, what are the emotions going through you right now?
Oh, very difficult question to answer, honestly.
Yeah.
It is a lot. It's a seesaw of emotions where I'm filled with nervousness,
Yeah.
where I'm filled with excitement. Now I'm into the zone of getting scared because I actually have something to lose now. Public's validation is
Correct.
something which I've been craving for since more than a decade, and now it's happening. So it is just very overwhelming.
You talked about having a lot of emotions, and the best way I deal with my emotions is to emotionally eat, basically.
Right. Food is the solution to
Food
everything.
is the solution to everything. You don't seem like someone who eats a lot,
No, but
actually.
but
Are you?
I eat.
I just knew it. I knew you will say you're one of those thin people who eats whatever you want, who doesn't exercise. Are you one of those guys?
No, I do exercise. In fact, I start my day with my workout.
Okay.
I wake up 5 a.m. and
Wow.
I work out till 6 to 8.
Okay.
And then I start my day, do my little bit of puja and then with my mom, and then I start with my day. But having said that, I eat as much as 4% would.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I eat a lot.
Wow.
I eat a lot. I don't know where it
Basically, I
goes.
think we need to order some more. Because, but I'm very glad to hear that.
जो इंसान खाना नहीं खाता मुझे नहीं मतलब कैसे जीता होगा वो?
Correct.
भाई
Absolutely.
मन खुश होना बहुत जरूरी है काम करने के लिए.
So, what is looking good to you right now?
I think we could start with garlic bread, if I may. Yeah.
Let's go for the bread, and then we also have the pizzas, and we have the risotto, and we have the aglio olio. Let's eat while we talk, basically. Cheers! Cheese!
Cheese,
Yeah, cheese.
correct.
Correct.
That's the way.
The very cheesy jokes show in Movies Then One. And laughing at my jokes, but he's a very good actor because I'm almost believing that he finds my jokes funny.
No, your jokes are so good.
Thanks, thanks.
You're damn funny.
I try. You're buttering me up with the cheesy jokes. Okay, never mind. I'm going to stop. You know, Mumbai is obviously a hard place to live in. Like when you first came here, especially, what did you find the toughest?
As simple as a roof over my head. I come from Panipat.
Yeah.
So it is 10x the expensive city
Correct.
that is. So just to get a roof over my head is something which every actor I think struggles for.
with, yeah.
The first thing.
Yeah.
But you know what? I feel that it's a part of a process. I think the difficult the challenge is, the more inspiring the story gets.
Correct.
Challenges are the inspiration.
Absolutely. But how did that dream really start? Like, who was the first person who planted that dream in you? Or did it just come from you only?
So first person, thank you so
we need
much.
this, we need
thank
this,
you, thank you,
correct.
thank you. So Sanjay Leela Bansali was the person
Oh,
who
how did that happen?
I obviously didn't do well in my academics because I was a sports person mostly.
Oh.
So I used to play cricket mostly and then in Panipat में ज़्यादा कुछ entertainment के लिए था नहीं. So I went for a film. And that film was Ram Leela. It hit me like a fireball. That film. And I was so filled with emotions that I almost forgot why. I mean, I referred to it as that I came in as sort of a loser, but I was a changed man when I walked out of that theatre.
That's a part of it.
That's a part of it. And second incident I'd like to mention over here, since you said that who believed in me.
Yeah.
My college had just started उसके बाद. तो मैं कॉलेज में गया और जैसे पहले दिन सब इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं ना, तो द टीचर वाज आस्किंग कि अपना नाम बताओ एंड व्हाट डू यू वांट टू बिकम. मेरी बारी आई बहुत लोगों के बाद, तो आई सेड आई एम अभय वर्मा एंड आई वांट टू बिकम एन एक्टर.
Oh, okay.
तो शी सेड तू एक्टर बनेगा. बैठ जा.
This teacher, I hope she is watching this interview.
Yeah, I really
and
hope
all your many interviews
also.
and the movie also.
No,
Are
she
you in touch with her?
yeah, she messages me that I'm
Oh.
proud of you, God bless
That's
you.
very sweet.
So
Okay.
teachers are, I mean, in a way, supporting.
I mean, we love teachers, but we always like to prove them wrong also.
Yeah. Very good.
Also, I'm sure once you came to Bombay, there must have been a lot of people who may not necessarily have been supportive.
Most importantly, my mom and my brother was.
Ah.
And that meant the world to me.
Yeah, yeah.
Because आपका ऐसा होता है ना कि family अगर support करती है ना, तो then you can fight for the world.
Correct, absolutely.
But no, nobody, I mean, not many people believed in whatever we were trying to do because I don't come from a filmy background.
Yeah. But you know what I love also about you is the fact that I think you are extremely close to your mom, from the sounds of it.
Yeah.
How has your mom actually made this whole process easier from, you know, whether it's making your favorite food after a tough day, things basically feel like home. How has your mom made this whole process easier for you?
Honestly, from the very basic to just let me follow my dreams. You know, after my father passing away. So it has been like she has been the sole warrior and she has really been a shield against the world of, you know, जो बोलते हैं कि चलो वापस आ जाओ कुछ नहीं हो रहा है तो एंड खर्चा कैसे चलाओगे ऐसा वैसा, तो मम्मा को और टेंशन मत दो. घर के खाने की आप बात कर रहे हो, एंड ऑफ द डे यू
Yeah,
हैव अ गुड फूड. Now I've come to realization that this is a luxury. To go home,
It really is.
to
Oh
go home
my
and
God.
have food of your mother's hands is a luxury.
Yeah.
Which I mean, I can die for that.
Yeah. So what's the favorite home food that your mom makes which makes you feel, everything is going to be fine in the world? Yeah.
Good way to put it.
Yeah.
But वैसे तो मम्मी का कुछ भी बनाए वो अच्छा लगता है.
Ah, what a
But
sweet
yeah,
boy you are.
हाँ.
Very sweet. Everyone should have a son like this only.
But I think when she makes chole bhature and rajma chawal, these two things are I can eat every day. See, I have now come to a situation which is very boring that I enjoy everything that she makes because I have eaten 6 years of my life outside, na, every meal.
Yeah.
So then, as I told you, that this becomes a luxury.
Correct.
वो कुछ भी
correct.
बना दें.
I know, and I think also with you, you're someone who travels a lot, like, you know, and I know that you were in Paris and you were like, you know, showstopper and, you know, all of this stuff. Are you someone who's very experimental with cuisine when you go abroad, or do you still want to stick to are you the McDonald's kind of person even abroad? If you're a Maggie person, you tend to be the McDonald's person also.
I was the McDonald's person.
Oh, see, I
Yeah.
knew it.
I
I knew
was.
it. I could sense it.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
just recently I've come to a realization that if I don't do new things in my life, if I don't try new things in my life, I'm not exploring myself.
Yeah.
You know? So then I try everything. That's how you build your knowledge. You know, that's how you explore and that's how you know a lot of other things also in life.
Yeah.
Than just having aloo tikki burger and Coke for every
There's nothing
meal.
wrong with that.
There's nothing. I love McDonald's.
Yeah.
I love.
Sorry, people. I
Sorry.
know we're going to get majorly trolled for this, but yeah, the truth is the truth ultimately. So when you go to Paris and all, like, what do you have? Escargot.
Definitely a lot of hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. Okay.
Angelina one is super. Yeah.
Oh.
You can find that there.
Ha.
The whipped cream and the hot chocolate is to
हाँ.
die for there. And plus they have these rolls which they give, you know, with
Yeah.
different stuffings. and all.
Yeah.
Whenever I travel alone mostly. And I'm a nomad. तो मैं घूमता फिरता रहता हूँ ये वो सब. I don't stick to a place. पेरिस गया, फिर वहाँ से कहीं बेल्जियम चला गया, फिर उधर से एम्स्टर्डम. तो मैं वो रोल वाले पे एक्चुअली ज़्यादा सर्वाइव करता हूँ.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice. How I also knew that I was going to bond with Abhay very well was because he went to Disneyland Paris.
Whoa, you saw that?
Yeah.
That's the best place ever.
I know. Thank
That is
you.
the best place
you know,
ever.
I keep telling people I want to go to Disneyland Paris, and they're like, "What is wrong with you? You're an elderly lady now." Okay.
There is no one elder in Disneyland.
Thank
you are a kid.
Thank you.
Absolutely,
So, but
yeah.
I want to know, why is a handsome young man like you traveling alone? Okay, like.
That's exactly why.
Nice one. But traveling on your own is actually a really great experience.
Oh, absolutely. It's very enriching.
Yeah.
In a lot of
So
ways.
where? Yeah, I'm sure.
No, no.
Very enriching is the word he uses. It's all that hot chocolate. I'm sure you're going to have a very, very enriching career also going forward in Bollywood, because the real big guns of Bollywood, like Karan Johar, for
Yeah.
example, you know, are like calling you a sensational performer, saying that it's one of the freshest performances. Like, what does this do to your head, right?
Bhai, matlab, this is a family which I wanted to be a part of since more than a decade now. And now that the validation is coming, you feel content, you feel inspired, you feel scared.
But who is keeping you grounded really in this whole process? Like, you know, because it's very easy to let the fame get to you. It's very easy to lose yourself in the middle of all of this.
Has to go with my mother. क्योंकि वो रोज सुबह नाश्ता लेट करने पे डांट पड़ती ही है,
Ah,
चाहे कुछ भी हो लाइफ में.
Nice.
नाश्ता करके ही जाना है, चाहे तो लेट हो रहा हो, कुछ भी हो. When you really don't forget where you're coming from, you know where you've come from, what is the journey that you have forged, आपके क्या challenges और वो सब रहे हैं. When you just try to revisit your challenges again and again, that keeps you grounded.
Yeah.
जब आपने शुरू किया था तो अब आप कहाँ थे, एंड नाउ मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने बहुत कुछ कर लिया अभी ज़िंदगी में, बस एक सुपर हिट फिल्म ही तो दी है.
Yeah,
जो box
that's
office-
all.
मतलब
No,
इतना ज़्यादा.
sir, I know. See, I like this. See, you can't be
Like I
too
say.
humble also, okay? Too much humility is very boring for me, okay? I do
Yeah.
not like it. You know, in Munjia, you're very geeky almost. Even in Everton, for example, you're like a quiet kind of person, you know? So, which is the character that you've actually identified the most with, which you feel is actually a little bit more of Abhay on screen?
Actually, there are bits and pieces of every character that I get influenced from. So it's the other way around. मैं बहुत सीखता हूँ अपने characters से. Fascinating thing is that my work is such that I get to be a better person every day. Because there's a perspective जो आपकी life में add हो जाता है हर एक character के साथ.
Yeah.
So for Munja, I'll say that there's this guy Bittu who's very sensitive, kind-hearted, and naive and
Yeah.
geek, as you
Yeah.
said. तो उसकी life में
Can I crack one joke, please?
Yeah.
Okay. Instead of a Greek god, he's a geek god.
oh
Thank you. I thought of that last night. I was like, I must crack this joke during the interview. Please carry on.
So with Munja na, I've come to a sweet realization that a man becomes a gentleman with the ladies in their lives. तो बिट्टू की जिंदगी में जो जैसे
Sweet boy.
मोना मैम है, शर्वरी है, अज्जी है, तो these are the three ladies who have really Bittu has travelled with and so to
Correct.
say made a man to a gentleman.
Correct.
So that I resonate with my life also. That I have also become a gentleman अपनी बहन के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करके, because my sister and me have grown together.
Oh.
Brother was in boarding school. तो मैंने और मेरी सिस्टर आंचल ने ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड किया एक दूसरे के साथ. एंड सो मी माई सिस्टर एंड माई मदर, तो मैंने उन दोनों के साथ जो टाइम स्पेंड किया है ना, सो दैट हैज डेवलप्ड अ सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ अ सेंसिटिविटी
Towards
इन मी,
women. Yeah.
यू नो.
Yeah.
और वो कभी आप यू कैन डिस्कस इट एज अ मैन टू मैन, but you can only feel it
Yeah.
by spending
yeah.
time.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
that's one thing which I've really taken was a major takeaway from Bittu's character
Yeah.
in my life.
Yeah.
That I've come to a realization कि मैं भी ऐसा हूँ, तो it's because of the ladies that I have in life.
Totally, and obviously there's been a lot about the kind of chemistry that you have with Sharvari and things like that. But the relationship I liked the most in the film with the
Let me
woman,
guess.
Ajji.
Ajji.
You know, I think Ajjis in our life or grandmothers in our life have a very, very special role. Ajji, of course, in Munja makes, Puran Poli as a expression of her love for you. what did your grandparents do? They spoil you with all this, like, you know, like all the food you won't eat the rest of the time, basically.
Yeah.
So, you know, like, what was that like for you
So
growing up?
जो मेरे पापा मुझे नहीं दिलाते थे, so then I used to go to दादी and दादी would
Correct.
follow up.
Yeah. yeah. Follow up is the right word.
Follow
yeah,
up.
Yeah.
कि हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है भाई उसके लिए.
So sweet.
तो वो grandparents का रोल होता है,
Yeah.
and they are the sweetest
Yeah.
because you are also a kid and then they have also become a kid.
Correct.
You know?
That's actually very, very true because
Yeah.
they're entering like a second childhood
Yeah,
of
yeah,
sorts,
yeah.
right?
Correct, correct,
So
correct.
that was one of the sweetest relationships actually for me in the whole film. Also, you know, the other thing which I loved about the film, other than, you know, your performance and the kind of relationships, was what scenery in that film.
I
oh
tell you.
my god. Obviously this is shot on the Konkan coast.
Yeah.
So did you actually manage to experience any of the cuisine there? Because their food is also like incredible.
अरे incredible.
Yeah.
And जो भी मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ यहाँ पे, जो भी नॉन वेजिटेरियन दोस्त बोलते हैं ना कि ये क्या पनीर सोया है वो कुछ और ऑप्शन नहीं है तुम्हारे पास, गो कोकण.
Oh really?
गो कोकण एंड यू विल सी कितना कुछ है वेजिटेरियन
Yeah.
सब्जी और वो सब
Yeah.
जो भी सब्जी
Yeah.
वो बनाते हैं, द महाराष्ट्र फूड इज
To die for.
It's really to die for.
Yeah. So what kind of like, I mean, did you go to people's houses and eat, or like, you know, did you stop on the way at little places and eat? How did you like absorb the cuisine over
तो वो
there?
एरिया कमर्शियल तो है नहीं बिल्कुल.
Yeah,
भी.
exactly. That's
There's
why I was
small
asking.
hotels,
Yeah.
small restaurants, small kitchen I would say. तो एक होटल है जिसपे हम स्टे कर रहे थे, ऑल कास्ट एंड क्रू, अराउंड 25 to 30 पीपल. और वो कपल ही वो होटल चलाता था एंड दे ओनली यूज्ड टू मेक फूड. तो वो आपको हर जगह घर का खाना ही मिलेगा, तो
Yeah.
आपको लगेगा ही नहीं कि आप बाहर आए हो.
Oh,
एंड
nice.
प्लस यू आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग समथिंग न्यू एवरी
Yeah.
अदर डे, बिकॉज़ आई वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड टू महाराष्ट्रियन कल्चर, महाराष्ट्रियन फूड थ्रू मुंजा. हमने अपने डायरेक्टर का नाम ना कोकण किंग रख दिया था.
Oh, nice.
बिकॉज उनको सब लोग जानते थे, बिकॉज ये शॉर्ट अ कपल ऑफ
Yeah,
फिल्म्स
correct,
टुगेदर
correct.
कोकण में. हमारा कुछ भी खाने का मन करता था रात को 10 बजे भी, वो किसी के भी घर में चले जाते थे, बोलते थे हाँ इधर रोक साइड में, अंदर जाते थे पूरन पुली लेके आ जाते थे.
Oh wow, full connections basically.
Konkan king.
Nice. You should always travel with such people.
Yeah.
Now the thing is, obviously we've spoken about what kind of food that you like, but you know Munja is a horror film, you know. So what kind of food scares you? Like you're like, dude, I will not touch this food at all. Like
Healthy.
you know. You are my kind of man, basically. My husband is a very healthy man, but then I'm like,
Oh.
so it's full like, you know, this battle of the healthy versus
It's okay.
unhealthy type.
सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
Yeah, thanks. We'll have a very unhealthy relationship. Are there any, you know, meal breakers for some instead of deal breaker? Is there a meal breaker for someone like you? Like, you know, when you go on a date with someone, I don't know if he's dating, he's single, he's willing to mingle, he only goes abroad and mingles. I don't know. I'm joking. Is there a meal breaker for you? What's your meal breaker?
I think when someone burps a lot.
Oh my god, you!
Yeah.
But you must be having lots of people like sliding into your DMs and all now, saying, oh,
I mean-
you're- see, oh, the blushing is happening. Okay, we can move on from the meal breaker and you can tell us about who's sliding into your DMs. That's sounding more interesting to me right now. But yeah, you must be getting a lot of attention from everyone right
Yeah,
now.
a lot of appreciation is coming out.
Oh,
Let's just put it to that.
Okay. So how are you
Appreciation.
handling all this appreciation, I want to know?
By giving more appreciation and love.
Oh,
That's the way you reply
he's
to love.
still not answered me whether he's single or whether he's
I am
someone.
single.
Oh, you are single.
Yeah.
Oh,
I am,
okay.
I am.
But you're opening to mingling.
I mean, love is a feeling that can come and you know, it always surprises you.
Such a filmy answer, I tell you.
So yeah, I was coming to the straightforward one, but yeah, I'm always. I mean, one is always ready for love.
हाँ.
One is stupid if he's not ready for love.
Correct.
People say कि नहीं यार मैं अभी ready नहीं हूँ फिर ऐसा relation. अरे हट यार सब
Yeah.
सब normal है भाई, ready हो तभी मतलब it's a beautiful feeling that if it comes to your life you're lucky.
Absolutely.
So it's that pure of a emotion to
Yeah,
have.
and you know, you actually managed to bring the purity of that emotion on screen, like I've said, you know, because you
Did
have
I?
you have such great chemistry with all your leading ladies. Like I said, in Family Man, there's so much of chemistry, you know. Obviously, with Sara, you had great chemistry. So, who do you feel you have the best chemistry with, and who do you feel you could have the best chemistry with
Munja.
going forward? Ah, I agree. He's got your back.
Yeah, he's got my back, big time.
Literally. So, other than Munja, who sits on your head all the time in life? Who's constantly like,
My elder brother.
Elder brother.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
करेक्शन की जरूरत नहीं भी होती तो भी बड़ा भाई तो बड़ा भाई.
Correct.
तो वो तो उनको दिखाना ही
And
पड़ेगा.
he's also an actor.
Yeah, he's
right?
also an actor.
So, what advice does he give you you about the. Please have some of the
Yeah.
pizza.
I'm actually more interested in this pizza.
Please.
This is margarita, right?
Yeah.
I'll have a slice of this first and then I'll eat this.
Okay, cool. I'm going to go for the pepperoni. So you were saying about your brother, who's also an actor.
So Bhai Sahab, oh, I call him Bhai Sahab. So he actually had the biggest advice to give me. The first thing that he very preachily said to me on the first day of Bombay, that you work, you audition, and you forget. You don't keep it in your mind. और मैं इतना ज़्यादा सीरियसली ले लिया इस एडवाइस को कि मैं एक्चुअली भूल जाता तो मैं बोला अरे सर आपने इसका ऑडिशन दिया था मैंने कहा कहाँ दिया था नहीं दिया बोले सर दिया था हमारा ऑडिशन है
You took his advice very literally.
Very literally.
Yeah.
तो वो चीज़ उन्होंने की because that you know expectation develops thoughts and then आप next चीज़ पे move on नहीं कर पाते हो.
So what is the biggest lesson actually that you've taken away from being in Bombay, and what lesson would you want to impart to other people who want to make this their dream, who want to kind of take this forward?
Actually, it boils down to a very simple thing of not quitting. Quitting is the only time you're losing. And having a plan B. I am strictly against plan B. I am only inclined towards plan A because अगर आप plan B रखते हो ना तो subconsciously you always feel like
safety net is there.
yeah, it's there, you won't fall, this that. अरे क्यों यार fall? अगर आप गिरोगे भी तो आगे गिरो.
Yeah. Very nice.
Intelligent यार.
This is very smart. I love that line actually. But I'm curious to find out because see now the thing is you have captured two things which are like India's obsession: film, Bollywood. And cricket also, you were like really like up there with your cricket. So how did that switch happen? Because I mean that was also something you were really passionate about.
My
right?
hand got fractured.
Oh my god.
I was a bowler and I was in the national camp. So I'd cleared state level and then I went to nationals. And then उसके camp में we were just playing football as a warm up के लिए. You must have seen cricketers playing football. तो football खेलते हुए I fell down and my hand grew.
That must have been so heartbreaking.
I was 16 years old. That's when that happened. And I was also in my 12th grade. So I had to focus on my studies. अगर वो नहीं हो रहा था तो so I actually did my exams with the broken hand.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So when that happened, did you then shift your dreams to becoming an actor, or was being an actor also part of the cricket dream?
So पहले I was inclined towards cricket. Then बीच में I went for the film. So that seed was germinated in the middle. इतना बड़ा नहीं हो गया था कि acting ही करूँगा cricket छोड़ के. So cricket was on the priority. But जब वो नहीं हुआ और उससे हुआ तो फिर मैंने कहा चलो.
Wow.
But then automatically the dream arose of becoming going this way.
Maybe who knows, you could become a cricketer and an actor and be like the first.
Or I could play a cricketer.
You could play a cricket. See, we've already come up with his next role right here.
Manifestation.
Basically. Manifestation at the manifest table. Abhay, my final question to you is obviously because we've had a great conversation today, you know, and really, actually, I've learned a lot from you today. Genuinely, I'm serious. Like your falling ahead thing was literally mind blowing for me. I never thought of it that way. Like, you know, me being someone who's always scared of like failing and falling, I was like, oh. My final question to you: what was the last conversation, barring this one, over a table which changed your life?
Can I tell you a funny incident?
Yeah.
I was actually running late अभी 2 दिन पहले. तो मैं ब्रेकफास्ट ऐसा कर रहा था. सुबह सुबह बेल बजी. तो लाइट्स वर ऑफ. तो मैं गेट खोला एंड देयर वाज अ डिलीवरी पर्सन.
Okay.
दैट रिस्पेक्टेबल पर्सन मैंने गेट खोला एंड आई हैड अ बाइट इन माय हैंड. तो मैं वो मील से मुझे याद आया कि मैं वो खा रहा था. एंड दैट पर्सन हैड अ पार्सल. मैंने बोला सर पे करना है क्या कुछ? बोले हाँ 999 पे है सर. मैंने बोला ठीक है. मैंने कहा कितना है? मैंने लाइट जले हुए बोलता सर 999. सर बोला क्या हुआ? बोला सर मैं कल आपकी पिक्चर देख के आया हूँ. And the sweetest thing which he said, I was hogging, but he was saying that मैंने कहा कहाँ देखी आपने? तो बोलता वो मैं सिनेपोलिस गया था देखने. एंड मैंने कहा अरे वाह अच्छा. तो कह रहे हाँ सर मैं करीब 7 साल बाद मॉल गया हूँ कोई पिक्चर देखने. और मुझे आपकी पिक्चर इतनी अच्छी लगी कि मैं बता नहीं सकता कि मैं अपनी फैमिली को भी लेके जाऊँ.
Yeah, there were a lot of family when I went yesterday also. So, Abhay, by popular demand, I've been asked to ask you also. I think even you said this in interviews, right? You couldn't believe that people are coming to see you headlining a film. Like you are the main guy. What was that whole process like for you when you actually got the call that you are the sole main lead of a film?
It comes to a disbelief even now.
Really?
That I am sitting here having a conversation about my film where I am leading it. तो पहले तो ऑडिशन पे ही मुझे पता लग गया था that this is going to be something because I had to imagine a lot of things and it was interesting and it was not that usual audition which we did. वो देख के ही मतलब वो देख के ही मुझे समझ आ गया, मैंने कहा वाह यार, मेरी जगह कोई भी और करेगा, इट्स गोना चेंज द कोर्स ऑफ हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री। एंड आराम नगर से निकलते हुए ना देयर इज अ मंदिर विच लाइज गणेश जी का, तो मैंने वहीं हाथ जोड़ के मैंने बोला, मैंने कहा प्रभु ये मैंने ऑडिशन दिया है एंड दिस इज द ड्यूटी विच आई वुड लाइक टू डू, इफ आई कैन बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, इफ आई एम डिजर्विंग, तो आप प्लीज़ देख लीजिएगा उसको। And apparently they were looking for a boy since 7-8 months.
Oh, okay.
हाँ, तो करीब 200 people they auditioned and then they found the real talent. I mean, just no more.
The answer to their prayers,
Just no more.
basically.
Yeah. The answer to the prayers is yeah.
It was right there, essentially, in front of them.
तो casting director शायद थोड़ी देर पहले आया होगा।
Lots of people. Very popular spot, essentially. So who actually called you and said, like, listen, Abhay, you've got this role?
I gave the audition and I was called directly to the office. मुझे नहीं बोला कि आपको हो गया है, मिल गया है, ऐसा वैसा कुछ नहीं। अब I was so naive and I went and Pooja was sitting there, Pooja Vision, and our director was there and the casting director was there, and they just straight away said that Abhay, we have really loved your audition and this and that with a very like a
Straight
serious
face.
face, serious face rather, not straight, very serious face. That ऐसा ऐसा है and we are doing a film and we would like you to play the lead of the film, Bittu. I said क्या?
Yeah.
They said yeah, we'd like you to play the lead. Do you have any problem?
I have a problem with how serious you look right now.
उनका ये good news ही है ना। तो that they said and out of naiveness ना I asked them कि सर आपको पक्का मतलब मेरे को लेके ही करनी है वो फिल्म? And they said Abhay, we don't always believe in stars, we believe in making them also.
People will hear your story and they'll be like, you know, if he could do it, even I can do it.
That's the major thing
Yeah.
I'm getting, you know,
Yeah.
and I really live for that.
Yeah.
That I want every person who is dreaming out there, who thinks that industry is a dangerous place. It is a beautiful one if you work for it.
Yeah.
It is really pure if your intention is pure.
Yeah.
So yeah, I myself am a live example, and I can attest to this fact that if you
Yeah.
work hard, it will happen.
Yeah. You are a
मजा.
role model for all the
Oh.
right roles.
Whoa.
Correct.
Lot of pun intended.
A lot of
fun and pun
intended. This is what I get trolled for. So, I would just like you to say bye-bye to all our guests with our tagline, which is आते रहिए
खाते रहिए
और पूछते रहिए
कि आज खाने में क्या है.
Very good. Please don't troll him. He's a very nice person. You can troll me instead for all my puns, which poor Abhay has had to tolerate for the last half an hour or 40 minutes.
I enjoyed the conversation.
Thank
thoroughly.
you so much. And we enjoyed having you and genuinely so very happy for you and can't wait to see what you're doing next. We are hungry for more work from you, literally, you know. So I hope we see it very, very soon.
I hope so too.
Yeah.
Fingers
Thank
crossed.
you so much, Abhay.
Thank you.
Thank you.